This six-part Isuzu Connect tutorial series focuses on basic use of a non-customized Isuzu Connect portal to request policy or goodwill consideration from your Isuzu District Service and Parts Manager. Part 3. How to create an Isuzu Connect case. To begin a new case, return to the portal screen and choose the dealer location by clicking on the hyperlink. Begin a new case by clicking Search in the top banner. Under the Customer heading, click Search. Click New Customer. This directs you to the New Customer screen. Begin by entering new customer information. Note, all fields with a red asterisk must be completed. Enter in your DMS ID for this customer. Click Create. You have now been directed to the new Assets screen. On this screen, you will enter in the Isuzu VIN and click Search. The Isuzu VIN will be shown below. Decoded. Click the Add Asset button. This asset can now be assigned to this customer by clicking Save Asset. To begin your new case, proceed to the upper right-hand corner and click the New Case button. You are now directed to the Case Information screen. All cases require a primary contact. To create a new primary contact, click the Create New Contact hyperlink. All fields marked by a red asterisk must be completed. Click on Create New Contact. Enter a primary complaint description. Click Save and Continue. Congratulations, you have now created an Isuzu Connect case. Thank you for your attention in Part 3 of this Isuzu Connect tutorial series. Please click on the subscribe button below, and welcome to Isuzu Connect.